Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can move application from internal storage to SD card on Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open the settings application on Android phone. Then we're going to tap on the application setting. We can scroll down until we find the app setting. Okay, and this is the app setting. You have to tap on it. Then you're going to select the application that you want to move to SD card. But keep in mind guys that not all the application can be moved to SD card, so you have to check it first. But as far as I know, one of the application that can be moved to SD card is Instagram. So we're going to practice how we can move Instagram application to SD card. Okay, we can tap on the Instagram application. Then we're going to click on the storage option. Tap on the storage. Then we are going to change the location. We can tap on change. And since we want to move the application to SD card, we can tap on the SD card. Then you can click on move. And after you click on it, the application will be moved from internal storage to SD card. Alright guys, and that's how we can move application to SD card on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.